My name is Enoch, and I'm here for you on my channel today. I want to talk on the hamster error page that is online. It started yesterday night, and then first of all, I want to thank those that have subscribed to my channel. I want to say thank you for doing that, and if you are watching my video for the first time, please try to subscribe to my channel using the subscribe button below. And if you have any question pertaining to this video, please use the comment section below to ask any question. And today I want to talk on the error page that is on the Hamster Kombat using the Telegram. Today I want to show you on how you can fix the error code on the Hamster Kombat bots. And if you are watching my video for the first time and you have not subscribed or you have not joined this Hamster Kombat, the farming or mining or the farming app using your Telegram, you don't have to pay anything, you don't have to worry yourself. Once you have your Telegram account, then you will have access to it. Use the link below to register. So thank you very much. So now let me dive into the business of the day. So now if you launch your Hamster Kombat and you click play in this, you will see this error which says web page not available. But now if you want to get rid of this, so you have to go to the message section on that Hamster Kombat and type, it's very easy, and type start. So once you send this, it will reprogram the section for you. So the next for you is to click on the play in one click. So automatically it will show it to you. So that's the solution to this problem. It has been fixed. So yeah, good to go. Thank you very much. And I want to show you, I want to give you little things. You have to work on that profit per hour. They have been saying it and they will continue to say it. They want to use that profit per hour to calculate whatever you have mined on this app. So please work on that and boost your profit per hour. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe to my channel and share my video and like my video. Thank you very much. Welcome back. See you next time when I will release another video. Thank you very much.